Okay, so today we're going to continue with elements of drama. So, what are the parts of a drama? These are the different little slides that I have and the different things I've been going over this week. We have a slide that goes over what a drama actually is, characters, also known as actors, narrator, setting and scenery, which is for the play, it's the same thing, dialogue, director, and the script. Now, we've already gone over characters, narrator, setting, scenery, dialogue, and script. So that leaves us with director. So I know that's a new word for you. We haven't gone over that at all. I haven't talked to you at all about director. So we might need some review on this, okay? So that's fine, because tomorrow, if you don't get everything today about director, tomorrow I'm going to go over all of this with you, okay? And you should have some examples of director when we go over everything tomorrow. So let's first go over what a drama is. I've been talking to you about this last week and all this week, so go ahead and take a moment and think of what is a drama, also known as a play. And I'm covering the little definition with my the box, so you can't see. Alright, if you need more time, just pause the video, and maybe if you're at home, you can pause the video and share with an adult, sibling, or stuffed animal. If you're at school, maybe the teacher can pause the video and call on one of you to share your answer. Okay, drama. Drama, also known as a play, stories that can be acted out in front of people or an audience. Okay, so I've been going over this play all week. I've done other ones, but this is just my example for the week. The Hare and the Tortoise. So on Monday I read this play to you. I acted as the squirrel, the duck, the hare, the tortoise. I acted like all the characters, right? And so what I did was I did that little play for you. I read that play for you. And so if I was the actors, if I was playing all the different actors, then what did that make you? It made you my audience, okay? So stories that can be acted out. So this story, I acted it out in front of you, my audience, all right? So now let's go over director. Now this is completely new, so I'm going to give you a moment to use this little image right here to make a prediction on what you think a director is. They have a job. That's my hint for you. They have a job in a play. So I'm going to give you a moment to think about it. All right. If you need more time, just pause the video. But a director tells the actors where to go, how to move, and when to say their lines. So, where to go, how to move. Well, I don't have a director here whenever I'm doing these little plays for you, do I? No, but if I was actually acting these plays out on a stage or out in front of other people, then I would have a director, and they would say, okay, Mrs. Magoni, you need to stand here and wait for so-and-so to say their lines, and then you're going to say your lines. They're going to tell the actors what to do. They're in charge of the play, right? They're telling the actors when to say their lines, what to do, where to go, how to dress, all that stuff. They're in charge of it. So the director does have a pretty big job when it comes to plays or dramas. Same thing. Okay? So tomorrow we're also going to be going over director a little bit more, and these plays I've been reading recently to you, they don't have a director, right? Because I'm just doing the plays. I'm just reading them to you like this. But if you were to actually go see a play like The Nutcracker or something, you wouldn't see the director because they're behind the stage. They're behind, you're not going to see them. They're off to the side, okay? But they're the ones who are telling everyone where to go and what to do. So they have a really big job. Okay, hope you like this little lesson over director and elements of drama.